Hello, good evening. This is Rishabh, and today I am going to explain about my project in Arena, that is a packaging line. In this project, I have done the simulation you can see on the screen, and now I will explain about my project in details. Firstly, I have considered a generic packaging line for some product, such as pharmaceutical plant producing a packed medicinal product, or a food processing plant producing packed foods or beverages. And in this, the line consists of workstation. You can observe here, and the process of filling, capping, labeling, sealing, and cartoon packaging, and individual products units will be referred to simply as units. And in this project, we have made following assumptions. The filling workstation always has material in front of it so that it never starts. And the buffer space between workstation can hold at most 5 units. You can observe here. 1 2 3 4 5 in resources. In expression we have only two things: process time and buffer cap. All these things we have done in this video. I will explain. Firstly, you can observe here, create job, and after that we have a type of create, and in this I have made some changes. You can see here, we have chosen a random expo, and max arrival time 1, and first creation point 0. And after that, what we have done, we have taken an assign process index time in order to assign or differentiate different types of processes. After that, I have taken a siege. Siege main function is to discrete processing. It means it differentiate the process, different types of process. Which kind of process is this, and in which workstation we need to go. And after that, we have taken a start process of the type delay in order to get all the shipment at a time. And so we have taken a delay. And after that, we have taken a decision box. In that, we check whether that all the processes, shipment components have done or yet not. If it is true, then if it is not done yet and it is true, then we go in the see if this process is blocked. If it is not done, it means they may be blocked or hold. So we take decisions. After that, we go to the release resource. In this, I have made some manual changes in resources. You can see here: filler, capper, labeler, sealer, and packer. All these things be done while making this process. And this is the main component or resources in order to make a packaging line in pharmaceutical company. And after that, we go to the next process. And in next process, we go to the assign. And after that, we again go to the siege process. And as I told you, in siege process, we differentiate different types of processes. And these processes again go to the start process. And in previous time I have explained, if this process is not done yet and it is true, then it go to the next step and see it is blocked or hold. And if it is done, it means not done yet, it means already it is done, it means it is false in this decision box. Then we go to the release the final resource. In this, what we do, we release the final resource so that the final component can be assembled. And we go to the flow time. It is of type record, and we mark the record that this component has been done successfully. After that, we again go to assign process and again go to the next process. It means index 2, in process index 2. In this, we again go to the siege process. In this, we again start the process, and again we go check whether it is done or not, and accordingly we go to this process. And this process keeps on running until there is complete in the packaging line of the product or component. And you can see here we have manually taken so many queue, like filling process that goes in siege process. When we will animate this process, then you will observe then capping queue, labeling process queue, sealing process, packing process, filler blocked, capper blocked, and labeler blocked, and sealer blocked, packer blocked. Here we, in order to check here whether it is blocked, and if it is blocked, then which kind of process in queue. And you already know from where we have done all these things. From here we have selected entity, and from there we have gone to the queue and we have done these changes manually. And in order to understand this process, let me run this anime project, then you will get to know in better way. So you can see it is going accordingly, and here it is detailed report. In this report you can see whole things has been done in a sequence manner. In this there is a already all things have been clarified, and I want to tell something more about this pharmaceutical packaging lines. In this process, and there are mainly three kinds of packaging, that is primary packaging, secondary packaging, tertiary packaging. And in primary packaging, what we do, it is the first layer. You can see here we have done indexing in order to differentiate between kinds of packaging. In first layer, what we do, that comes into contact with the product. Here you can see the siege process. It is typically made of material that are compatible with the product and that will protect it from the contamination. And in secondary packaging, what we do, in this process, the outer layer of packaging, first there is a primary packaging. In this there is a inner substance, from there is a material kept, and in secondary packaging it is the outer layer that protects the primary packaging and the product from the damage during shipping and handling. And in tertiary packaging, what we do, there is a final shipment, or we can say transportation. And so this is all about my process or project, and thank you.